Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So yeah, it's too frequent and I know I just uploaded a vlog last week. By my standards, I should be uploading over a few weeks after, but yeah, what to do. Guess where we are heading. I know by the thumbnail, I think you might have already seen, but yeah, let me give you the headlight. Today we are riding to Srisailam, and as you see, I have 4 bikes ahead of me and I'm here. So we are around 6 people and 5 bikes. So as you see, Yashwant is ahead of me on Aprilia, and sorry, I don't remember the names of all of them, but yeah, there is a Speed 400, there is a 310 RR, and ESD in the front leading us. So yeah, the plan is to stay overnight at Srisailam and return to Hyderabad tomorrow. So yeah, that's it. So I know I have already done this vlog one more time when I was going to Yanam, so this would be a repeat of it, but yeah, let's see if we can gather some exciting content. Okay, so keep watching and keep supporting. Thank you. So just to give an update, I think like I got a call yesterday night at around 9, and I had to decide within 30 minutes, and I said like, since it's a weekend, I do not have anything planned, so yeah, I said okay, let's do it. So I had to pack all the luggage within a short notice, and I've started almost at around 6:15 from my home. Met Yash on the way at Gachibowli, and the remaining folks we met at airport restaurant, which is on the way to Shamshabad. And
Yes, मैंने कुछ पूछे से जब तक मैंने कुछ बोली पूछे मैं लॉक कर रहा नहीं मुझे कितना मिला वो तो नॉस्टल है
at the Dindi Reservoir. Just now one of us has to refuel, so we stopped over there. And yeah, weather is nice today. It's cloudy. In between there was some sunshine, but overall it's cloudy. Okay, let's hope it stays that way. And I think there is a prediction of rain in the evening at the dam, but okay, that's fine. Nice. Last time I came in December, I think it was somewhere, to be precise, I think it was on 27th of December. But yeah, that time, even since it was winter season, even then also it was so hot. And now the weather is pleasant. And with this, if it is a slight drizzle is there, then it would be even better. But yeah, can't complain. This is better now. So we are actually flying a drone and trying to capture some footage on it. Let's see how it comes. And I don't know where it is. No, not able to spot whether it will be coming with us or not. Don't know, but hope it is. Oh, there are trees. It's almost 5:30 now, and we came and we booked a room, and after that we are tired, had lunch, and then took rest for some time. And now we are going for the darshan and from the dam. So we'll be going from the dam and then we're going to the temple for darshan. I think you can see, I think from the word, when we are coming, someone said that there are around 8 gates open, but I don't see 8. I see maybe 6 or 4. I think one thing we have to keep an eye on is the buses. So they need the entire turn over there. So if you see a bus approaching that guard turn, U-turn at the guard section, yeah, stop your vehicle at before that. If you go there, then you both are stuck. Oh wow, look at that. And I think good thing we came in the evening because it was super hot in the afternoon. So morning it was sunny. It is drizzling till here. I think we are gonna be soaked in wet. Look at that. Oh fuck.